Welcome back, students of 6th class. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. So my dear students, in this video session we will revise of exercise 2E and test paper of chapter 2nd, factors and multiples. So friends, before solving some questions of exercise 2E, we will discuss about some properties of HCF and LCM and an important formula that with the help of them we can solve all the questions of exercise 2E. So friends, get ready to learn and understand. So let's get started. Have a look friends on the board. Properties of HCF and LCM of given numbers. So friends, you all are conversant about HCF and LCM. The full form of HCF is highest common factor and the LCM lowest common multiple. And the just previous video lecture we had already discussed deeply. Okay, now see, the first property says the HCF of a group of numbers, the HCF of group of numbers is not greater than only of the given number. Okay, is not greater than any of the given number. The HCF of a group of the given number, that means the HCF of a given number is not greater than any one of the given numbers. Suppose example friends, suppose 2 and 4. Two numbers are given and we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Now first property fulfills as, so the HCF of this number friends, HCF we can find, yes, 2, because the maximum common factor of these two numbers is 2, so 2 is the HCF. And look at the friends, 2 is, sometimes 2 is equal to any one of the numbers, but always 2 is less than its given numbers. Once again I repeat, the HCF of a group of numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers. ये नंबर हमेशा इससे बड़ा नहीं होगा. Okay, another example, suppose 12 and 9. Look at the friends, so the HCF of 12 and 9 is 3 friends, and look at this 3 is not greater than any one of the given numbers. I hope you will understand. Now come to the second point, and the second point says friend, the HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. And you know friend, the co-prime numbers, yes, co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if not a single, if one is the HCF of two numbers is 1. Suppose 1 and 10 is a co-prime numbers, so the HCF of 1 and 10 is 1 friends. 2 and 3 is co-prime because the HCF of 1 is 2 and 3 1. So we can say the HCF of two co-prime numbers is always 1. Okay, this is the second property. Now see the third property. Third property says friends, the LCM of a group of numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. Suppose 2 and 4. Now the LCM friends, so LCM is 4. Find LCM and check. So this 4 is not less than any one of the given numbers. Another example friends, 6, 12. So the LCM of 6 and 12 friends, this is 12. Now see friends, this LCM is not less than any one of the given numbers. Okay, now point number 4, property number 4 says friends, the LCM of two co-primes is equal to their product friends. And remember friend, the HCF of two coprimes number is 1, but the LCM of the two coprime numbers is the product of these two coprime. Now see, suppose 3 and 5 are coprime number. Why? Because the HCF of these two is 1, so this is called the coprime numbers. But the LCM friends, LCM is their product, remember. I hope you will understand. Now next friends, properties number 6 says, sorry, property number 5 says the HCF of a group of numbers is always a factor of their LCM. Suppose friends, we are talking example, we are talking the group as 2 and 4, or okay. Now see friends, LCM, here is the LCM is 4 and the HCF is also 4, HCF is also 2. Now and look at the friends, we are talking this group number and we have taken example 2 and 4. So the LCM of this 2 and 4 is 4 and the HCF is 2. And look at the friends, have a look, what is the relation between LCM and HCF, because here is the LCM 4 and HCF 2. So 2 can easily divide 4 friends. So we can say 2 is the factor of 4, because the number which divides the another number is called the factor. So 2 is the factor of 4. We can say the HCF is always factor of LCM of the same group of the given number. So this is the last property of LCM and HCF. Now come to the next point friends. Next point, very interesting formula. Now we are going to talk. Now see friends, the last very interesting important formula. Suppose now LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of two numbers. LC is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to one number multiplied by other number, means this is the product of two numbers. Okay, now LCM, so if you find the LCM, then this will go in divides, means one number multiplied by other divided by HCF. If you find the HCF, then LCM will go divisor. Okay, one number multiplied by other number. Or we can find the example, suppose take 2 and 6. Okay, these two numbers. So the first find LCM. LCM is equal to friends 6, HCF is equal to friends, this is 2. Now if you multiply LCM, look at the friends, HCF, so look at one number is 2 and another number is 6. If you multiply friends, LCM is 6, HCF is 2. Look at the friends, 6 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 6, that means 12 is equal to 12. We can say the LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to one number multiplied by another number. So this is your formula friends, so please remember and by heart. Okay, now with the help of this one we can solve the questions related to this formula. Okay, now see friends, we will move to solve exercise of two exercise. So we have taken question. Now see friends, question number 19 says the HCF of two numbers is 145 and their LCM is 2175. Okay, if one of the numbers is 725, find the other number. Now first friends, write the value HCF is given. Now the HCF is 145. Now LCM is equal to 2175, and friends one number, suppose one number is, this is 725 is given. We have to find the other number. Okay, other number is what? Now from formula friends, if you remember, LCM multiply by HCF. Either we can write friends one number multiply by other number is equal to LCM multiply by HCF. We can write left hand side this or right hand side this, there is no matter at all. So one number friends, one number is given. So one number is given friends, one number is 725 and we have to find the other number. Okay, is equal to friends, LCM is given friends 2175 multiply by HCF is given 145. Now friends, look at other number is as it is equal to 2175 multiplied by 145 divided by friends this 725. Okay, now divides and you will get the answer friends. Look at the friends, the numbers having ones place 5 will get cancelled by the number 5. Okay, now friends see, 5 1 5 friends, here is the 22, 5 4 20, and this will became 25. Find 5 at 25 means this 725 number will get cancelled by 5 as 145 times. Okay, now this is also cancelled. 5 4 20, so 1 is this became 17 and 5 3 is 15, so 2 is balance, it became 25 and 5 5 is 25. So this 2175 will get cancelled by 5 as 435. Now this 125 will get cancelled, so the answer is 435. This is the answer. I hope you will grasp, understand. Now see friends, once again find the greatest number of 5 digit numbers exactly to 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24. First friends, write the greatest number of 5 digit, and the greatest number of 5 digit is 5 times 9 friends, 99,999. Okay, and now find the first LCM of these given numbers 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24. And here have a look friends, we have already find the LCM, and the LCM of these given numbers is friend 360. Then divide this greatest number of 5 digit by 360 by LCM. Okay, after we will get the remainder friends 229. So this, the greatest number of 5 digit is not divisible by 360. If it is divisible by 360, then this is your answer friend. So but here we got the some remainder, as 279. If you subtract this from this 9999, then we will get the required number that is divisible by 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24. Hence friend, this is your answer. First friend, find the LCM of the given numbers and then write the greatest number of 5 digit, then divide the greatest number of 5 digit by the LCM and see if the remainder is other than 0, then please subtract the remainder from the greatest number of 5 digit, that will get the answer. Okay, because look at the friends, 1 2 3 4 5, this is the 5 digits number and which is the greatest number, that this is divisible by these given numbers. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see friends, the next question. Now see friends, the last question, very interesting question. Question number 13 says friend, the circumference of 4 wheels are 50 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. They start moving simultaneously. What least distance should they cover so that each wheel makes a complete number of revolutions? So here the term friends, revolutions. Second, the first term is circumference. So what do you mean by circumference friends? First, the circumference is the perimeter of the circle, and here is the term is the wheel. So here is the wheel looks like friends, wheels look like a circle, like the wheel. First write the solution friends, write the solution. Okay, and see friends, there are 4 wheels. wheels मतलब चक्का है, किसी गाड़ी का चक्का मान लेते हैं, 4 wheels हैं जिनकी circumference कहते हैं फ्रेंड्स. सपोज दिस इज circumference फ्रेंड्स. इस पूरे घेरे की टोटल लंबाई के लेंथ को कहते हैं circumference. दैट मीन्स द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ दिस बैरियर और द बाउंड्री ऑफ द दिस wheel is called the circumference or the perimeter of the fence. Okay, total length of this fence is called circumference friends. This is looks like a circle friends. Okay, this is And now the circumference, first circumference 50 centimeter is the circumference. Now second wheels friends 60, a little bit, this is 60. The circumference of this wheel friends 60 centimeter. Okay, now next 75 friends. $75 centimeter, and the last 100 centimeter. Now see friends, here the first term that will understand circumference. Circumference is the total fence, total length of the boundary of this wheel is called the circumference. Now the second, revolution means one complete round. If this wheels will started moving the one complete round, then it's called the one revolution. जब ये पूरा एक चक्कर लगाएगा, this is one revolution. Two complete circle means two revolution. Okay, so in one revolution, then we have to find the starts moving simultaneously. Charo, both all the wheels are going to start simultaneously. According to the question, what least distance should they cover so that each wheels makes a complete number of revolution? So we have to find the least. We have to find the least revolution, friends. That means if one revolution means one complete round, and suppose one complete round, suppose this length, suppose this is the circumference. Okay, this is the wheels, and the first, and the length of this boundary. The length of this boundary means the length of this circumference is 50 centimeter. Okay, if you open this, suppose this is a wire, then we got the distance 50 centimeter. Okay, if you one complete round, if this wheels moves one complete round, means it will go 50 centimeter at distance. It will go at distance as 50 centimeter. Okay, one time. In second revolution, 2 multiplied by 50 centimeter. In third, 3 multiplied by 50 centimeter, and so on. Similarly, for 60 centimeter of circumference of this wheel, and 75 centimeter circumference of this wheel, and 100 centimeter of this wheels. That means what is the least number that all the wheels move, all the wheels becomes the complete revolution. What is the least number? So the least number means, friends, we have to find the LCM, and this LCM of this all circumferences gives us the least or the required distance should they cover so that each wheel makes a complete number of revolution. That means we have to find the LCM. So find the LCM, friends. Now LCM of 50, that is here 50, here is the 50, 60, 75 and 100. Now see, friends, 2, this is 30, 75 as it is, this is 50. Now next, suppose 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 5 1 ja, and 5 5 ja, this is 10, friends. Once again 5 1 ja 6, 5 3 ja 5 2 ja. Now 2, friends, 2 3 ja and 2 1 ja, 3 1 1. Now multiply, friends. 5 5 ja 15, and sorry, 5 5 ja 25, 25 15, 50 50 and 6. Now this is LCM, friends. 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, this is 300. This is 10, friends, and this is 10. 100 multiply by 3, 300 centimeter. So this is your answer, friends. If you find this centimeter into meter, then divide by 100, so get the meter. 2 0 2 will get cancelled, 3 meter. This is answer. That means they will cover, and the least distance is 3 meter. Okay, in 3 meter all wheels will complete revolution and which is the least common revolution. गड़बड़ हो रहा. See friends, 6th question says now we will start test paper second. 6th question, find the largest number which divides 630 and 940, leaving remainder 6 and 4 respectively. First, in this question, first of all subtract this number, this minus this, and subtract this minus this. Now 360 minus 6 becomes 324 and 940 minus 4 becomes 936. Then find the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, and this HCF gives us the answer. So there are two ways to find out the HCF: division method and factorization method. So division method is very easier than the factorization method because these are the huge numbers. So decide which this number is less than this. Now this will get the divisor and this is as the dividend. So now divide this 936 by 624. Okay, and proceed the procedure till where the remainder is 0. Then we have to see the divisor of this step. So the divisor of this step is 312. So this 312 is the HCF of this 624 and 936. So this HCF is nothing but it is the required largest number that we have to find. So this is your answer. 312 is answer. Now next question. Now see friends, question number 10. Can two numbers have 12 as their HCF and 512 as their LCM? Justify your answer. फ्रेंड्स क्वेश्चन कह रहा है क्या दो नंबर्स अगर जिसका एक HCF 12 हो और LCM 3, क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? किसी भी दो नंबर के HCF 12 और LCM 512 हो सकते हैं. So if you remember friends and collect the points, the properties of LCM and HCF means there is a relation between HCF and LCM. What friends? HCF is the always factor of the LCM of the same group of the numbers. That means HCF can divide LCM. The value of HCF can divide LCM. If to check friends, if this 12 divides 512, then we can say yes. Yes, the answer is yes. 12 the group of the any given number is as 12 as HCF and 512 LCM. Now check friends, to check 512 is divided by 12. If the remainder is 0, then we can say this is yes. किसी भी एक ग्रुप नंबर्स के ये 12 HCF और 512 LCM हो सकते हैं अगर 12 से ये डिवाइड होगा तब, अदरवाइज ये रॉन्ग है. ओके, नाउ सी 12 4 जो फ्रेंड्स 48. So write that this is 11. So 11 this is 3 and 2. 12 2 and 12 2 24 friends. So look at the friends, the remainder is not 0. So we can say yes, there is not. No friends, no. And justify your answer. The answer is a reason. Hence we can write hence HCF given HCF 12 is not a factor of LCM 512. ये इसका रीज़न है फ्रेंड्स. फैक्टर रहता तो यहाँ से इससे 12 से डिवाइड हो जाता. ओके, याद रखिएगा, दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन HCF एंड LCM. So friends, yeah, and all the questions friends are similar and we had already solved in previous video lectures, and tell them all the stuffs, all the requisite points. With the help of these points we can solve test paper 2 and exercise 2E. So friends, your homework is exercise 2E as well as test paper 2 friends. So please do honestly friends. Have a nice day.